Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how I made this heart wreath using materials from Dollar Tree. So you're going to need one of the heart-shaped wreath forms from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 rolls of the red 6-inch Deco mesh, 2 rolls of the white 6-inch Deco mesh, and some pipe cleaners cut in half. And you'll want to take your 6-inch Deco mesh and cut it at 6 or 7 inches. Next, you're going to take your square, fold one corner to the opposite side corner, and kind of walk your fingers up it and make an umbrella shape. Next, you're going to go to the center wire at the top of your heart, and you're just going to take your pipe cleaner. You could cut these in thirds if you wanted to instead of half, and you're just going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the little umbrella, then go the back and give the pipe cleaner a few twists. Fold your pipe cleaners down, and then you're going to want to fluff your umbrella and push it forward. Next, I'm doing some of my 6-inch red, and I cut it at 6 inches. 6 inches worked better for me than 7 inches. Same steps, opposite corner to opposite corner. Make a triangle, walk your fingers up it until you have the cute little umbrella shape, and then you're going to attach it right to that center wire. You could do this with all one color, or you could do like I did and use 2 or even 3 if you choose, but I did 3 of the white umbrellas, then 3 of the red umbrellas, then 3 of the white, and so on all the way around. Once I got to the point at the bottom of the heart, then I kind of changed directions and started laying mine in the opposite direction. Just make sure you get your umbrellas in nice and tight and full. So after you make an umbrella, push it forward and get each section as full as you can. And this is how it looks with 4 rolls of the 6-inch Dollar Tree Deco mesh. Next, I decided to tie a bow. So I let out a tail, made a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size as your first loop, then go back to the other side, make another loop, check to make sure they're about the same size, go the other side, make another loop, make sure you're checking, let out a tail, then you'll want to have some floral wire close by to wrap tightly around the center of your bow, and then you're going to want to dovetail the ends, fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Now you'll want to fluff the loops on your bow. Now you're ready to add it to your wreath, so just thread the wires through the Deco mesh, go to the back of the wreath, twist the wires, then fold them down. If you want your wreath fuller than mine, then you might want to pick up 3 rolls of each color. And then I did add some of the heart-shaped glitter table scatter or vase filler. I've forgotten which one it is, but I just hot glued some of the little hearts onto the Deco mesh. So just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. Before you hang it on your door, kind of make sure that your umbrellas are all in line and none of the edges are sticking out. And that's it, guys. Your wreath is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.